Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your pool every week? In this video, we'll break down the top 5 best robot pool cleaners of 2025 to help you choose the one that fits your needs best. These robotic cleaners are smart, efficient, and can save you serious time and effort. Let's dive in. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme Wi-Fi Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme is built for serious in-ground pool owners. It comes with Wi-Fi connectivity, dual-drive motors, and powerful waterline scrubbing brushes, making it one of the smartest and most effective cleaners out there. Key features: works with pools up to 50 feet. Wi-Fi app lets you schedule and control remotely. Triple brushes for deep scrubbing. Multiple cleaning modes: quick, standard, and enhanced. Pros: strong suction and scrubbing power. App control is convenient. Great for large in-ground pools. If you want hands-off cleaning with powerful performance, the Nautilus CC Supreme is worth the investment. Number 2. Beta SE Solar-Powered Surface Skimmer Cleaner. The Beta SE is a different kind of robot. It's solar-powered and floats on the surface to clean leaves, debris, and dust before they sink. Key features: 100% solar-powered with built-in battery. Works 24/7 under sunlight. Twin motors support saltwater pools. Large debris basket. Pros: eco-friendly, no cords or charging needed. Always working, cleans continuously. Ideal for reducing surface debris. The Beta SE is perfect if you want a set-it-and-forget-it skimmer that keeps your pool surface clear all day. Number 3. Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Pool Cleaner. This is the mid-tier Dolphin model, designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools up to 33 feet. It features wall climbing capability and top-load filter access for easy maintenance. Key features: smart navigation system, wall climbing brush action, weekly scheduler support, easy access filter basket. Pros: great cleaning power at a mid-range price. Climbs walls and covers all surfaces. Reliable and low maintenance. For small to mid-sized pools, the Nautilus CC is a great balance of price and performance. Number 4. Dolphin E10 Robotic Pool Cleaner 2025 model. The E10 is purpose-built for above-ground pools. It's affordable, easy to use, and does a solid job cleaning the floor of pools up to 30 feet. Key features: fast 1-hour cleaning cycle, active scrubber brush, top-load filter for quick cleaning, plug-and-play setup. Pros: budget-friendly option, great for above-ground pools, lightweight and easy to handle. If you're a first-time pool owner or want a no-fuss cleaner, the E10 is a solid entry-level choice. Number 5. Wibot C1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner 2025 Upgrade. The Wibot C1 is a 4-in-1 powerhouse. It's cordless, app-controlled, and comes with 3 powerful motors for complete pool coverage. Key features: 150-minute runtime, smart app scheduling, wall and waterline cleaning, covers pools up to 1,600 square feet. Pros: no cords, full mobility, smart app, and powerful suction. Ideal for large in-ground pools. If you want smart, cordless, and full-featured cleaning, the Wibot C1 is a futuristic option at a competitive price. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to check the links in the description for the best prices and latest deals.